Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you that how you can create a website by using DeepSeek. So DeepSeek is a new AI tool which is more powerful than ChatGPT. So in previous couple of months ago I show you that how you can create a website by using ChatGPT. Now I am going to show you that how you can create a website by using DeepSeek. So the website you're gonna make it image converter. If you search in Google image converter, you will get a lot of websites. So this is the website of image converter. So basically this website has, if you upload a image or any file, if you suppose you upload a photo of a format is JPG, if you want to make it PNG, you can select the PNG mode and then you can convert the image to JPG into PNG. So now we are going to create this type of website. So let's go to DeepSeek and give him a prompt. So the prompt will be this one. So the prompt is, I want to make a image converter website by using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So give me the codes accordingly. So now hit enter. So now DeepSeek will give you a codes of ChatGPT. Sorry, DeepSeek will code you of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So now the basic needs we need to do in a create a folder in your computer, then and create some HTML file. Create a HTML file. Suppose the HTML file name will index.html index index.html, then create a css file styles.css, then script.js script. So we have created three files: html, css and javascript. So now go to DeepSeek again. So as you can see, the code has been created successfully. Now copy the html code, then simply paste the HTML code in index.html, sorry, not script.js, in index.html. Okay, then control S save, then copy the CSS code. Okay, then style.css, then control save, then copy the JavaScript code. Okay, so script.js, control S. Okay, so the all of codes we have been pasted successfully. Now go to the folder which you created those files. Image converter, this one is the image converter. Okay, these are the files. Now double click on index file, index.html file. As you can see, our website has been created successfully. Then simply select a folder. Suppose I want to make a image, this image to, okay, rename this is a png file. Okay, suppose delete this one. Okay, this is the png file. As you can see, this is the png. Now select this image. Now we are gonna make it into jpg. Okay, so click on convert. As you can see, it has converted the image. Then they are saying download converted image. Click on download converted image. As you can see, this is the download image is jpg. Okay, if you find the image in a folder, then if you double click and see the properties, as you can see, the image is a jpg format. So this is the easy way to create a website by using DeepSeek. You don't learn HTML, CSS or JavaScript. Just simply give a prompt to DeepSeek and it will automatically give you the codes, and you can just simply copy and paste the codes and the website will make easily. So I hope this video will help you a lot to create a website, and I will see you in the next video.